Hey guys, so today we going to Brooklyn Bridge Park. We're 2 minutes away. Now I'm not gonna lie to y'all, it's brick out here, bro. Guys, we finally made it to Brooklyn Bridge Park, like to see the actual view. Let me tell y'all, I'm freezing.
Okay. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Oh, it's raining now. Guys, it's literally pouring out here. And I mean, the rain calmed down a little bit, but we're still out here taking pictures, you know. We're not trying to let the rain ruin our experience. Me personally, if it start raining, everything I planned for the day was canceled. So the fact that I'm still out here, you know, we're really trying to vibe. But we out here by the Brooklyn Bridge still. And in the back, you can see the Brooklyn Bridge and the Manhattan Bridge. It's so fire. But I'll update you guys later. Bye. Guys, we're at Shake Shack and I just got my food. Let me show you guys what I got. Got some cheesy fries and an Arnold Palmer, and I got a shroom burger. A shroom burger is literally a mushroom burger and it's so good. Hello guys, it is definitely nighttime. It is a few days later and we're out here at Hudson River Park. This is the sign, Hudson River Park, and this is what it looks like out here. Pretty busy. This is my first time being on this side of Manhattan and we are by the water. We came over here to see what it says right there, Little Island, and look at it, y'all. It looks so cool. And we're gonna get to walk all the way up to it and get real close, but look at it from the outside, guys. And then look at the view of over there. So cool. I love it here. Came here last night and we're back out here again today during the daytime to see it. Okay guys, so we in here again. Everybody see the High Line. Do your dance. Oh wait, we didn't press a button. We're not moving, bro. thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and stay tuned for more videos to come. Bye.